Welcome, traveler, to Medieval Meals. Episode 1, River Fish with Verde Sawse. Green sauce popular in medieval times can be made with different kinds of herbs, but must always have parsley, vinegar, and bread. It was also common practice to utilize bread as a thickener for sauces. Simply soak stale bread in white wine vinegar and mash it into a paste. Assembling the sauce is as easy as the lord of the land taking your wife on your wedding day. Simply grind down garlic with salt, add your finely chopped greens, bread and vinegar mixture followed by ground cloves and pepper. Mix and churn until your sauce is thicker than your local apothecaries behind. For the fish we'll be using good old salmon. Now you might be thinking, this is no meal for a peasant, but thanks to access to rivers, freshwater fish was readily available to peasants and lords alike. And would you believe that most meals would be eaten on bread called a trencher, since plates were not available during this time? Now to assemble, simply lay your river fish atop your trencher and add a generous serving of your Verde Sawse. The sauce was herby and sour, pairing well with the richness of the salmon. Perfect way to enjoy your fish when the lords aren't asking for your head on a plate. Farewell, traveler, and make sure to follow for the next episode of Medieval Meals.